What's up, YouTube? Do you own one of these things? It's a smartphone, right? If you do, you could be making money. Stay with me, that's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, this is ridiculous. Every day you complain. He's such a complainer. He's so annoying. Bart, get a life. Seriously. I don't understand the guy. Anyway, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you again, Liz Lemon. She says the same thing. She's so sweet. Such a sweetheart, Liz Lemon. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like the video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we are on a website called FOAP, FOAP.com. You go to FOAP.com/photographer, and you can go and download an app for Android or Apple. And basically what you're going to do is take pictures. That's it. Just take some pictures.
Well, that sounds easy enough.
Yeah, anybody can do it, right? Seriously. All you do is take pictures, and any pictures you take, you upload them to to FOAP, and people need pictures. They license these pictures, and they go and pay for it. So take pictures of your dog, take pictures of a cat, take pictures of your kids, anything, your buildings, whatever, famous landmarks in your hometown, whatever it is, whenever you're out and about, just take some pictures. And as long as it's a picture that you don't mind sharing, go ahead and upload it to FOAP, and there you go. You make some money. It's really crazy. And the nice thing is, a lot of these other places, they expect you to have like professional camera and stuff like that. And so, I know there's places like Shutterstock where they say, oh yeah, you can make money from your photos, and that's true. The trouble is, Shutterstock, they expect you to have a professional camera. Over here, all you need is one of these guys. That's it. Just a phone, regular ordinary phone. But as long as it has a camera, which pretty much every phone today has a camera, take pictures, upload them, and people will pay you for it.
Show me the money.
Yeah, I'm showing you the money. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. Very simple, very easy. I'm downloading it. I figure why not? I actually just got this phone, brand new. So very excited. It's Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. Let's show you guys right here. See? Really nice stuff. Very excited about it. So I'm excited to start doing this because, whenever I'm out and about, if I see something cute, take a picture and upload it to FOAP, make some extra money. Why not? Okay, that's it for today. I will see you all tomorrow.